Hey, this is Dr. Brian Harris from Phoenix, Arizona. So I wanted to just speak for a minute about what is happening within the dental industry itself. You know, it's been fascinating for me to see the changes these last 18 years that I've been in practice, more specifically with what it is really that patients want. You know, I think there was a time in dentistry where, it was all about tactics and strategy and how to talk to patients and help them get, things done in their mouth that we knew was important, but it almost felt like, we were having to convince them of what was important to them. And I think things are very different now. I think patients are much more educated. People know what they want. Now it's all about trust. It's all about convenience. It's all about transparency. That is what people are looking for. So I believe part of our responsibility within Gen4 is to be that kind of dentist. Not to be the dentist that walks in and has an ulterior motive of convincing people of what they need, but a dentist that can really just be there, be present, ask people what it is that they want, and then just find a way to go and give that to them. It's much more of a patient-led world now than a doctor-driven process. And so I think the faster we can understand that as doctors, the more success we'll have. And at the end of the day, people get the dentistry they want, doctors get to do the dentistry they love to do, and overall, the organization can grow and succeed in business. And when I was introduced to Gen4, I really did see something that was different. I saw an opportunity to be able to still do what I wanted to do within the practice, do the kind of dentistry I wanted, have the type of team members that I felt were important to the business, use the materials that I wanted to use. The idea of being a doctor-led organization was super important to me. And so now looking back, having been in this organization for a year, people ask me all the time, well, what's changed? Nothing. Really, I use the same materials, I have the same team members, I still run my business the way that I was running it before. Really the things that have changed are more organizationally. Some things with HR have changed in how we manage some things like payroll and requesting time off. Insurance benefits have changed, financial benefits have changed for the better. But overall, it's been a pretty amazing experience so far. And so what I would say is if you're a doctor that is considering looking at this type of organization, if you know that eventually somewhere along the line you're looking for the right kind of partner to have in dentistry, take a good look at Gen4. They're different. It's a unique group. It's a group of very talented dentists and like-minded dentists that really have one thing in common, and that's just taking really good care of patients. And so it's an honor to be part of the group, and I look forward to many more years together with these guys.